Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video I am going to show you how to create Snapchat account. First, open Snapchat on your device. Here you can see two options, continue with Google and sign up. Just tap on continue with Google. Now you can see your whole email list here. Just tap on any Gmail and select a dummy email here. Now tap on agree and share. Now tap continue. Now you select your date of birth. Now tap on continue. Here your username. Now tap on continue. Now you set a password 8 character. Then tap on continue. Here you type your phone number and click finish. You can skip this option. That's it. Successfully create Snapchat account. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe the channel.